Wagwan. Babe, you can't. Well, how you laughing already? I'm not gonna do this with you, boy. How you go fail your own challenge?
I know, right? Cool. All right, let's get it. Come on, ready? Wagwan, massive.
You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
Hey, and it's your boy Jesse.
And we're back with another video.
As you guys see the title, we are doing a try not to laugh challenge, y'all. We're using some of the most viral videos on the internet, and we're going to try not to laugh at them, y'all. So
I think you're gonna lose because you're already smirking. Yes.
Man, I'm childish, so I laugh at everything as it is. But I don't think I'm gonna lose this. And I think if I want to hold myself back, I can.
What?
I think I can.
We'll see.
I really think I can.
We'll see about that.
But what about you? When
I can hold myself together.
Who y'all think gonna win? Before y'all choose, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment below right now. Pause the video, comment below, and let us know who y'all think gonna win this challenge.
All right, let's get started.
All right. I don't know how many videos it is, but it's a few videos. So let's get straight to it, y'all. All right.
You gotta put it on full screen so I can see it.
Yeah. Okay.
After you press play.
Hold on before I play.
You already laughing. You laughing already.
Okay. All right. Ready?
There, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Really?
No.
Okay. That's one. Okay.
Easy. Don't hurt him.
What, a frog or a turtle?
Wow.
That's cute. Really cute.
The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got
You stupid. I didn't like what?
Hello. Okay.
You gonna lose.
No, she extra just like you. That might be a you. That might be a you right there. Okay. That's not fair. You don't look.
I am looking.
That's messed up. That one was messed up. Man, they just must have that glued down in there.
Who is that laughing like that?
I'm gonna prank my dad.
Okay, wait, we go pause. Okay, let's take a break.
I can't believe you. You
Okay,
just laughing.
Okay. Alright, okay. Some of these videos is hilarious though. Alright? Okay. Okay. I'm done laughing, y'all. Okay, I'm strong.
Are you?
Whew. Oh, we got the baby in the video too, y'all. Guess what? Y'all can't see her face yet. You know why? Because we didn't reveal her face yet. And that will be coming soon. But just a little teaser, you know, we got it here.
She don't want these.
Oh, that's all in your face. You ready?
All right, yeah.
Get back to it? Alright. Let's get back to it, y'all.
She tried to turn around.
With Chelsea and Michael, who were jogging by and were nice to just stop for a quick second. And I said, what are you doing running? And you're saying it was really good out?
It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact on its dry snow, so your feet don't get wet.
Perfect
What?
time to run
Out here, like you said,
in
running,
the snow.
sledding, just enjoying it. What
Why do you laugh, bro?
That's what she get talking about perfect
Okay,
weather. Stupid. What?
That's messed up. What is those, rats?
That's what it looks like. You lost.
Okay.
Like, I didn't
That's
even. It wasn't no fighting chance for you. You just
Man,
bust out
I only
laughing at
laughed-
everything.
I only laughed like 2 times. That was
No,
it.
you laughed the whole time.
I only laughed like 2 times.
Jesse, you laughed the whole time.
How many times you laugh?
Probably twice. But you laughed at every last one
Man,
video.
y'all just seen this video. Y'all seen these videos, all right? How many times did y'all laugh? How many times did she laugh? How many times did I laugh? I think I won. So I'm a
Boy,
champion.
you know you a lie. You ain't
I
done
just
nothing.
laugh louder.
Jesse, whatever.
And I smile really loud too, you know what I'm saying? So when I smile.
How you smile loud?
Just watch the video. Y'all get it. Y'all see me smiling loud, right? I'm just smiling loud. That was it.
You cannot smile loud. Smile don't have a volume. Like what?
Okay. All right. What y'all think? Man, tell me what y'all think, all right? Because y'all the judges. Y'all the ones who judge. Let us know. I say I win. She says she won, of course, because, you know, women.
No, I won because you laughed at everything.
Women
I
always
barely
think they
laughed.
everything.
Whatever.
Right.
I already knew you was gonna lose because you laughed at just me looking at you.
That was fun. Now, so I enjoyed that video. That was real fun, you know.
He for sure lost
Fun little
because he
challenge.
laughed at every last video. I didn't even get a chance to laugh. He took all of it.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, like we said, comment below. Let us know what y'all think. But until next time, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, share.
And you will have good luck for the rest of the year.
All right. Until next time, y'all. Peace.